Here's how to clear the Steam download cache on your PC to fix download issues, stuck updates, and slow speeds. Start by opening Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Downloads from the left panel. Now click Clear Download Cache. Steam will warn you that you'll be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically, and you'll need to log in again. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted or outdated download data that can prevent games from downloading or updating correctly. After clearing the Steam download cache, downloads and updates should start working normally. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC guides.